Hello, so I'm going to give a tour of my apartment, my very tiny apartment here on the Upper East Side in Manhattan. Yeah, so this was built over 100 years ago. So yeah, this is my very tiny apartment on the Upper East Side. It is a 1-bedroom. And so yeah, let's begin here. So I have 2 closets. They're both facing each other. This is the amount of closet space. It's not too organized, but it is what it is. Then I have some space above. And on the other side, same thing. Here is the bathroom. And so yeah, this was an unfurnished apartment when I got it. And so I had to get everything, like for example, the sofa, I had to get this table, microwave. The fridge came with the apartment, but yeah. And here's my bedroom. It's a bit of a mess, but yeah, I wanted to show how it normally is. And I bought a very nice umbrella, which is needed here because it does rain quite often, especially in the summer. Here's the view. It's of another building. My laundry, which I need to do laundry soon. And yeah. So yeah, this is my very small apartment on the Upper East Side in Manhattan. And yeah, I'm basically paying for the location. It's quite tiny. I think if I decide to stay here further, then I can. But if I want to get more space, I can go to Brooklyn, I can go to New Jersey. So there are various options for that. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe.